Using Afterpay for hotel bookings is a convenient and flexible way to pay for your accommodations. To get started, you will need to have an Afterpay account, which you can create by downloading the Afterpay app or signing up on their website. First, search for your desired hotel and booking dates on a hotel website or a hotel booking platform that accepts Afterpay, such as Expedia or Booking.com. Once you have found your hotel, proceed to the payment section and select Afterpay as your payment method. You will then be redirected to the Afterpay website, where you will need to log into your account. If you do not have an account, you can create one at this stage. Afterpay will then prompt you to enter your payment details, including your debit or credit card information. Afterpay will split your hotel booking cost into 4 equal installments, due every 2 weeks. You will need to pay the first installment at the time of booking, and the remaining 3 installments will be automatically deducted from your nominated debit or credit card on the due dates. It is essential to note that Afterpay charges no interest or fees if you pay your installments on time. However, if you miss a payment, you will be charged a late fee. To avoid late fees, make sure you have sufficient funds in your account before each installment is due. When using Afterpay for hotel bookings, it is also crucial to read and understand the hotel's cancellation and refund policies. If you need to cancel your booking, you may still be required to pay the remaining installments to Afterpay, depending on the hotel's policies. To get the most out of using Afterpay for hotel bookings, make sure to book your hotel in advance to secure the best rates. Additionally, consider booking during the off-season or on less busy days to get better deals. In summary, using Afterpay for hotel bookings is a convenient and flexible way to pay for your accommodations. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts and best practices, you can enjoy a hassle-free and interest-free payment experience for your hotel bookings.